Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another 𝗚𝗚𝗙𝗙 video. And I know this one looks weird because we are on my phone. And that's because I want to talk about an app that makes me super happy and super sad all at the same time, because it has the standout feature that especially all of us creators have kind of been looking for. But, you know, there's definitely some limitations. They actually just had an update yesterday. And so kind of want to check it out. This is VideoEasy. So I originally heard about this app because one of the creators actually made a, sorry, just said no there. Sorry. Actually made a TikTok and was talking about how like the app is kind of failing, didn't bring in enough money, so on and so forth. But so that made me want to check it out because he showed one of the biggest features, which we'll talk about in a second here. So I'm going to start a new project here. You can set it up for landscape, but for the sake of this video, since we're filming and doing a screen recording, we're going to stick to portrait. And you can see there's some pro features here. We're just messing with the free version right now. This is the pro version, how much it costs, and what you get with it. So I'm just going to hit that. We're going to do test number 2. Just playing around with this at another point. And then we are brought to this screen here. So you can either record directly in the app or import from library. I just did a quick little test prior. And so I'm going to hit the little plus button there. And then I'm going to choose add to my timeline. So this is the big feature as soon as you import something that I want to talk about. It's called jump cut. And basically it uses, they say AI machine learning. Everyone throws around those terminologies, so I don't really know which is which. But jump cut is essentially where it will remove the dead space from the video. And so I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this, but I recorded this prior to filming. And so basically what I did was just record like 50 seconds and purposely added some long spaces in between talking so that to test out this feature. So I'm going to say try jump cut. And so it took a, let's see, what was this? 54-second video and cut it down to like 39 seconds, which sounds about right. And we can see we now have multiple clips. And we can even shrink them even more so we can obviously listen to it. And if it didn't do a good job at cutting enough, or maybe we wanted to leave a long pause in there, you can absolutely go in and kind of customize each clip just by tapping on it. Also, if you were to import this clip and say like keep original, like not try jump cut right there, you always have that option down in this bottom kind of feature panel here. You can see jump cuts right around in the middle there that you can clip on, and whoops, that will work on the selected clip that you have selected. So the reason that I wanted to talk about this is because creators have for so long wanted something, especially again, YouTubers who remove like every breath in between words. Usually we wanted something that we could just remove all the dead space from. It would make cutting down from like a 40-minute, 50-minute, hour-minute record session down to at least like 20, 25 maybe as you're figuring things out. And then that way you just have to go in and remove the word slip-ups and the stuff that when you're talking but you don't actually want to make into the final cut. So this feature is really, really cool. And the part that makes me sad is, the creator was talking about how this app is kind of a failure. They didn't have enough downloads or people join the pro monthly subscription model. And in my head, it's like, man, if you were to just implement this, like sell off the technology to Adobe or Apple's probably not going to take it because they're Apple, but Blackmagic for Resolve or really any like pro editing application, this would be a huge standout feature. And so the fact that it kind of only exists in this kind of semi useful video editing app. Like this is a very, very basic editing app. As you can see, like if I were to select one of these clips here, I can crop it, I can turn the sound on or off, I can change the volume, that jump cut feature, and then I can slice. And so we have all of our basics here, but this isn't a LumaFusion competitor. And so there's another one, LumaFusion. Please just like buy this company or buy this app or buy this feature, license it to them, I don't know. And then, this would be extremely useful in a more pro program. And because, I don't know, I'm all about like really cool, innovative features like this. But when you're limited as to how you can use it, because obviously when I record on my actual camera, not on my phone, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get that video into my phone and then use the jump cut feature and then export it at a high enough quality and bitrate and everything to then go and finish the edit in Resolve or something. So this is really, really cool technology, but developers, if you're listening, I don't know if you've already explored this path, but definitely like try to get this feature in the hands of a more pro application, or if you can develop a more pro application yourself, because this feature is really, really cool. But I'm curious, what do you guys think down below? Do you think this is, am I overhyping it? Is this just kind of a feature that, isn't as useful as I think it is as a creator? I don't know. I want to hear what you guys have to say down in the comments below. Let me know. Again, this is VideoEasy. I'll leave it linked in the top of the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And don't forget to also let me know if there's any other innovative software out there that I should check out. So until the next video, don't worry, we'll probably be back in a normal orientation and aspect ratio. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.